Hi! Welcome to Green Desert Agritourism Park. This is Susan Tusoy. I am the owner of this farm. And this is located at Purok 6, Nueva Vida, Mlang, North Cotabato. So maraming nagtatanong, how did I started this garden? So it all started from my hobby. Long before, may mga collections na po ako ng mga cactus and succulents. And when we decided to put up greenhouse and to set up this agritourism park, so yun po, nag-propagate na po kami ng marami. And of course, we also purchased some from Benguet and from Thailand, although hindi naman ako ang direct importer. As of today, meron na tayong 450 varieties of succulents. Documented na po ito. And then, an estimated 300 varieties of cactus. I am still in the process of documenting the cactus collection. Okay, for now, we are developing around 6,000 square meters lot area. So we offer visit to our greenhouses. Then the guests are also welcome to visit our second and third floor. We have our sky garden. We also have a billiard hall, and then we have also cactus cafe nga natay gi-offer ng mga lamian ng mga coffee. We have pastries, cakes, and a lot more. Plants for souvenir items. And of course, the price varies depende po sa budget ng ating clients. We offer as low as 50 pesos per plant to 200 pesos. So, depende po sa budget ng ating clients. We have an estimated average of 1,500 guests in a month. And marami naman din pong bumibili ng mga plants. Marami pong nagtatanong, why cactus na hindi ito basic commodity, hindi ito makakain. But you know, this is the road less traveled. Kunti lang po ang nag-venture ng mga cactus, cacti, and succulents. Now for me naman, this is out of passion. And with the family support, from this passion, nagiging business po. Naniwala naman din sila sa future ng cacti and succulents. Okay, we have a lot of plants shared by the family. My children are also planning to put up their A houses. I have 5 children, and each of them are planning to put up A houses, maybe for rent in the future or for their personal use when they visit our farm. And God willing, we also plan to put up a swimming pool. We also plan to set up children's playground. So that's part of our future plans. Pero I do not know when will that be realized because of budget constraints. But at any rate, as of today, marami na rin po tayong mga plants that you can enjoy. And for those plantitos and plantitas, mayroon na rin po tayong mabibili at affordable price. So we are inviting everyone to visit our farm. Marami tayong choices po, may maraming collection, and ang bawat isa po ng ating mga plants ay may kanya-kanyang beauty na dinidisplay. Generally po, ang mga cactus are flowering plants po. So you will enjoy the beauty of their flowers.